I wanted to show you guys my neighbor's house across the street. Every year the community have a Christmas decoration contest, and per his mouth, he said he wins every year. But the neighborhood is so pretty in Christmas decorations. I wish I had time to show you. I'm just going to take her for a quick 15-minute walk, and then we're going to come right back. Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to do something a little different for breakfast. I am just going to use bacon, mushrooms, and pepper jack cheese, a bit of lettuce, and chicken deli meat. So I'm just going to warm all of that up together with some onion powder, and I'm going to throw that on a bit of lettuce, and I'm going to try to wrap it like a burrito. Although I probably should just use my low carb burritos, but I'm trying to be a little bit more healthier and save the carbs for lunch and dinner. So here are the mushrooms I'm going to be using. I am just going to cook these right inside of this bacon grease. I am going to throw some onion powder and red pepper on top just to give it a little bit of flavor. And then that is going to be it. Alright, so now it's time to build this sandwich. I am adding a little bit more red pepper. Then I am just going to add some tomatoes. Now I am going to add my bacon. And I cook 4 pieces of bacon and I cut them in half. So I'm going to add my bacon. Then next I'm going to add the cheese. And then I am going to put the warm chicken on top with the warm mushrooms. So it can melt the cheese a little bit in the middle. It's not going to melt it a lot, but it can melt it a little bit. Okay, you guys, so I just want to show you what the breakfast looked like inside of the carb manager. So I put in 4 slices of bacon, 1 tablespoon of the mayo. I just did 2 ounces of chicken breast, which it probably wasn't 2 ounces, but it's okay. There's no carbs in them, so it's okay. And then I did 1 slice of pepper jack cheese, which is 1 gram. I did the tricolor tomato wedges. Even though my tomatoes were really small, I'm sure if I chopped them up, I'll say it probably was like 1/4 cup. And then I did 2 small mushrooms, but they didn't have small, so I put 2 medium mushrooms on here because they were, I guess they were kind of medium sized. But either way, my breakfast was 4 carbs. 4 net carbs and 420 calories. And I just did 1 cup of the iceberg lettuce since I did have a lot of lettuce, and I'm sure if I shredded it and chopped it up, it probably could equal out to a cup. So I did 1 cup of those, and that was breakfast. And I'm so filled. Like, that was a filling breakfast. It really was.
So good.
This sandwich was so good, but it was such a mess. I had to hold it the entire time. I could not put it down because if I did, I probably would not have been able to pick it all back up. Next time, I am going to wrap this in the romaine hearts because that wraps a little better than iceberg lettuce to me. But I don't know if it's because I had so much lettuce why it turned out messy, but it was really, really messy. However, it was also really, really good. All right, you guys, it is tea time, and I really wish I can use that bee pollen creamed honey, but I can't since I am strictly back on keto. But it just makes me feel good having it next to me. And now let's hydrate. Okay, you guys, so remember I was telling you about the Nudge coffee bombs. Here is another one. This is more of mild. I'm just going to eat about 8 of these. I think 11 of them was 2 carbs. I'm just going to eat about like a carb and a half first. And that is going to be my snack. And I actually might eat some white cheddar popcorn, like maybe about a cup. That'll be another, I think 3 or 4 carbs or something like that. I don't know. I'll see. So for lunch, I'm just going to warm this up. This is leftovers, which is salmon, shrimp, spinach, and a cream lemon sauce. I'm going to warm this up. All right, you guys, so here is my lunch. It is just salmon, fish with shrimp, and like I said, and spinach and a lemon cream sauce. And I'm having my 2nd cup of tea and my 3rd cup of water. And I'm just going to eat this and then maybe have a snack later on. We're supposed to be making cookies tonight, Christmas cookies. So I'm going to try my best not to eat one. Or I don't know, I may have at least one. I may try to bake a keto version. I haven't tried to bake a keto version. While they bake the regular versions, I'm going to try to do a keto one. All right, so Nana, what kind of cookies are you making?
Peanut butter.
Nevaeh, what kind of cookies are you making?
Sugar.
Kamaya, what kind of cookies are you making? Chocolate chip. Alexis, what kind of cookies are you making?
Lemon white chocolate.
Ooh, what are you looking for, Alexis?
Good. Anybody, if you use butter, you can use your spoon. Alright, just put it on the napkin.
The oven is ready for your cookies. Are you guys ready to put them in?
I'm whisking my butter.
Whisking your butter, but what else, Nevaeh? Did you put? Okay, your butter and sugar.
I got my salt, my baking soda, and tartar,
And you, what are you making? Lemon cookies? Oh, you got the tartar. Okay. Yeah. Luna, what kind of cookies are you making? Huh? Oh, get down, big girl. All right, I see you. I love you too. Now get down, big girl. Oh, come on. You're looking like a little bit extra sugar was going to go in there. I saw that. And I heard it. Into cups. Look, this is what the college student do. She brings out her calculator. That's why you should have got that little teeny bowl. Peanut butter cookies is done. Ooh, it's gonna be cool. That's a thick cookie. Oh, it looks nasty. Let me hide that. All right. Chocolate chip. Where's the chocolate chip? Chocolate chip. Okay, well, go ahead and break one. No, it's the sugar. Oh, there's some in there.